Okay, February 17th, 2021. I'm getting ready to turn this stripped out bathroom into a handicap bathroom. And we're going to be putting a shower right there and sealing that opening off, which used to be a hall closet. And we're going to build a shower in there without a curb. So it'll be wheelchair accessible. So first off, I got to cut the hole in this floor and get down to the studs because we're going to have some elevation changes in here. We're going to have floor heat and tile wainscot going around it. So we're going to see how things go. But we're going to be using the Schluter Shower System, and I'm really excited. I've seen a lot about it, and they are a premium kit from what I see. So onward and upward. Let's see how we end up turning out. Just a quick overview. This is the electrical panel. Then we go across the back wall here. There's an outlet. Everything's good on it. I got a 2-light deal going. There's our 220 wall heater. Then I come around here and I haven't determined whether that outlet there is on the same one as the bathroom. But here I've got it. There's the bathroom right there. There I have an open ground on that outlet. And it goes to open ground on the bathroom outlet on the other side, which is through that box right there. And this also has an open ground. And then I have a bunch of stuff up there that I just haven't totally figured out what's going on in that mess. I'm gonna clip this video, and then if I need to, I'll make another one, Scott. Okay, here's a picture of our roughed-in bathroom. I hate taking pictures vertically, but it's so small. But there we're ready for handrail at 35 and a half inches off the finished floor. Have to set up our shower valves there yet, so they're proper in and out. The electrician has come in and tied in everything that I need. We got new electrical up there. I'm gonna have a box there just to the left of the toilet. For a bidet, I got double plumbing outlets down there by the toilet, one for bidet and one for toilet. And then here is our new electrical boxes. Everything's tied in, wired, and good as can be. So we do have the blessing from him to go ahead and seal it in. So that is our next step, is dialing the floor. And the walls, go ahead and close them all in. But everything so far is looking good. There's the end of the shower. So we're going to move forward. Well, here we are, March 2nd. And we just about got all the drywall done. We got the back wall, or at least the walls with the Schluter Shower System. And we're getting our final tape on everything here. Now we just got to go ahead and get the, okay, March 4th. Morning of. Yesterday we got our walls textured. So that's coming together. And then today we're going to start the Schluter shower pan with the Dietra 4 heat. but it appears everything's going good as can be. There's all our thermostats and heat tape that are all preset to go up into the, what the hell do you call those? Dadgum thermostat, that's what it is. Anyway, just a quick little look. Okay, just a quick shot. So far we've got our pan put in, and then we've laid the Ditra heat mat over the top of it. This part hasn't been glued down yet, or thin set down, so that's what we're gonna do next. But everything's coming out just like it should be. Well, here we are on March 5th. We now have our heat cables put into our Ditra floor system for our Schluter shower system. Once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and let it set. Then we're gonna finish doing the inside corner taping. And we're gonna have us a heated floor here. March 24th, getting the tile going on this. We just got the tile in yesterday, so we started putting it in. It's kind of a subway looking tile over our Schluter board, then on the green. And it's gonna wrap all the way around. Lots of tiles to stick yet. Got our floor heat, that's all in. So we just keep rolling forward. Well, here it is, March 26th. I just set the last piece of tile in Cliff shower. Lots of tile, there's 3 by 12, so lick and stick and lick and stick. Anyway, we're getting it where we want it to be. Well, Heather, this is for you. You didn't get to come over here yesterday and see the bathroom, and Pam was telling me that you really had your heart set on it and somehow you got left behind, so I'm just gonna show it to you. This is your own personal showing. I'm starting to grout it and get it all fixed in. Here's where the shampoo gets to go. And the floor is all done, heated tile. So there's a lot of tile in this room. Seemed like I was setting tile for days. Oh, I guess I was. Anyway, Heather, I wanted you to get a look at the bathroom, okay? Hope you're having a good day, hon. Love you, bye-bye. Well, today's a good day. Got the window surround in, and all the tile is grouted. I gotta say, once again, this is a lot of freaking tile. But it looks good. And Cliff is happy. So, here we are. Have a sink, and a toilet, and some shower stuff to go, and this room is done. Gotta love it. April Fool's Day 2021. Well, we finally finished the bathroom. This is our finished product. Cliff still got some painting to do, but we chose to go with curtains rather than doors, so it's wide open. So everything is doors, or curtains, I mean. And Cliff's sister's on her way to move in, so I thought I better get a video here at the end. And it's all ready to go for her. We might have to put another grab bar or so in it, but the job is complete. So we've been the last month and a half on it. Among other things, this hasn't been the only thing, and it hasn't been completely straight through because we've had to wait for tile and everything else. So if you sat and watched through all the video as this bathroom was built, thank you. And hey, April Fools. But it's complete. Thank you for watching.